Candace from Richmond has a question about a wallpaper problem.
Seems that way, Tom.
Okay.
Okay, here, just look at the picture. All right, Candace writes, I'm rehabbing a house that has several layers of wallpaper that have been painted over, so she can't just go right to the wallpaper. And that's why she says removing the wallpaper is not an option. Is there a way to cover the wallpaper seams so they won't show through a paint job?
Yes, but you have to scrape that. See how it's a little lump? There's a little lump going down where the wallpaper is kind of settling.
You can see that seam is where like one meets up against the next one, sure.
I know, but it's got a little roll to it because it's rolling out because it's getting squished a little bit. And so now the paper is coming out. She's going to have to go and just scrape all that lump off. It's going to leave a little bit of a mess, but you scrape it all off, and then you paint it with a pigmented shellac along the seams.
Okay.
Let it dry, and then you float over with a nice smooth float of thin set. Let it dry. Take a damp sponge, smooth it all out. If there's a little texture on it, I don't think there is because it's wallpaper, but if there was, just for people who are listening, you can spritz a little of the texture you get in a can to kind of blend it all, and then go ahead and paint it. But make sure you use that pigmented shellac so the water doesn't get up behind the other wallpaper, and then make it all start to bubble off, and that's what will happen. So the pigmented shellac is the key, but there's no way, I wouldn't sand it. I would use a scraper and just scrape it off. It'll look a little messy, but it'll float out smooth.
Okay, so scrape it, pigmented shellac, float it, texture if you want, then paint.
Yes.
Easy enough. Hope that helps her out. All right, you got a question? We'd like to help you out too. Anything around the house, help you finish your project or save some money. You just click on the Ask Tom button right here in the center of the homepage on HomeShowRadio.com. Fill it out, send it in, and we'll make a video like this, and we'll post to our Facebook page, our website, or even our YouTube channel, which, by the way, if you subscribe and click the bell, we'll let you know when we post a new one.